my channel. If you have come here for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And armies, yes, today I'm going to be reacting to two videos from the Love Yourself era. Now, one is of course the Euphoria MV, and the second is the Epiphany MV. Now, I know these were the comeback trailers, though I'm seeing like Euphoria is like a 9-minute video, so I'm guessing there would be like some scenes also from their current storyline, because now the last going by the storyline, the last video that I reacted to was the Love Yourself highlight reel, and then I was looking at what is the sequence I need to follow, and I realized I've reacted to most of the songs from the Love Yourself era, Serendipity being the first. So I know the sequence, so I know it's Serendipity, DNA. I've reacted to Mic Drop as well. Then you have Singularity. Then you have Fake Love. Then of course I've reacted to Idol also. Idol is supposed to be the last one. Stop Me Loving. You Can't Stop Me Loving Myself. So yes, so the ones which have been left out is Euphoria and Epiphany. I know both the songs because I had reacted to their live performances, but I'm really excited to just finish off this storyline, because I sort of know what the idea of this era is. It is essentially to find essentially to find yourself and start loving yourself, because if you cannot love yourself, you cannot really love others. So yes, first let me react to Euphoria and then we will move on to Epiphany. Both beautiful songs. Okay, subtitles. Korean auto-generated? Do not kid me. Why? Why armies? Why? If there are any dialogues, please then do let me know. Okay. So let me just stop the subtitles. Okay. He jumps. Yes, butterfly. Oh, they bought such an old clip back. Yes, I'm aware of everybody's stories. Ooh, this is exciting. I hope there are no dialogues. Yes, Jin has realized stuff. Okay. You all have told me all of this is really like confusing as well. He's back to his room. Yeah, he keeps opening up the blinds all the time. Back again. Wait, okay, now what? Yoongi trying to kill himself, but that's Jungkook. So I know they are a unit. So does Jungkook eventually save him? That's what it's shown. Because the same thing happens in the BU universe sort of story as well. This I know. Now this one I know. This thing where Jin is picking up the money that was thrown at Namjoon. Namjoon's story was the first story in the BU universe, the game. To prevent him getting, losing his job and, starting that fight, to prevent that fight that Namjoon does with that stranger who throws the money, Jin goes and actually, intervenes, and that sort of prevents the fight. So that is connected, I know. Why is this stupid ad coming? And I know Jungkook is suicidal. I know this. Jungkook wants to commit suicide. So, wait. So Hobi is here. Okay. Oh my god. Why is Hobi there? Why is Hobi there? Does Hobie prevent Chaeyoung from killing his father? Oh yes, see, the blood is going off. So Jin is actually, oh, he's not. Oh, he's not. That looks like Marine Drive. Okay, so Jin is basically, so Jin has done all the things to sort of avoid him, because I am able to understand the clips more because I've played the story. Though I am not, though Jimin and Hobie and only 3 stories have been released: Yoongi, Jungkook, and Namjoon. So I do not know what the deal with Hobie and Chaeyoung and Jimin. These 3 are still left. Their stories are supposed to get released by like before December. He's sort of smiling. So I think he was able to eventually. I think he's able to save them eventually, like after too many tries, because I am guessing that Hobie, somebody sort of, maybe I think Jin only informed Hobie that go to Taeyang, like something bad is happening, and I think Hobie prevents this killing, that Taeyang murdering his dad, so that he does not eventually go to jail. And Yoongi is saved by Jungkook, so I'm guessing Jungkook is also informed somehow by Jin only. So they're all together again. Oh, he's remembering. Okay. That's the mental institution that he's in, Jimin. Because there would be some gaps, because I have not read those notes. So because people who have read the notes probably are in a much better position to connect the story. Okay, he's smiling.
Euphoria.
Whew. He prevents it. Okay.
Euphoria. Take my hands now. You are the cause of my euphoria. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Euphoria.
So you are the cause of my euphoria. He's talking about his youngs only. I'm guessing. I'm guessing that. So they are not fighting anymore, of course. At least, thank God, I don't mind that the subtitles are not there, because I know the meaning of the song at least, because I've checked out the lyric video after I had done the reaction for this, what do you say, his live performance when his birthday was there. I am still guessing this is after Jin saves them. I'm still guessing it is temporary happiness, because it says love yourself, wonder. So I think he's still suicidal. I feel that from his expressions.
세게 흔들어도 잡은 손 절대 놓지 말아줘 제발 꿈만 속에 안아주면
Oh, they are back in that same place where they used to. I think this was there in I Need You, right? Is Jin happy? Jin satisfied? They're looking at us. They're looking at us, but it's not over yet. It's not over yet. Something is gonna happen. Something is gonna happen. They went back to the place, all of them. Wow, how they connected, because this was like so many years back. Has anything changed? Has anything changed? Let's see. Let's see. Don't tell me he's again gonna go up. He feels like he wants to go up. Who's that? Oh! Okay. I think he's sort of having a deja vu. So that Jin preventing him? Is that Jin preventing this incident so that Chaeyoung, because he sort of feels like a deja vu. Maybe looking at his expression, I'm feeling that Chaeyoung was probably still thinking that he wants to go up, and then when Jin goes, he's a little probably taken aback that I don't know. Ah. But there were no dates provided here, so. Okay. He's smiling. So he was able to save everybody. Was he able to save everybody? Does that mean the smile means that? Okay, let me see if there are any more scenes. Okay, let me forward it a little bit. No, I don't see. This is the full song. Let me check if there's a post-credit scene. Oh, there is a post-credit scene. You are the cause of my euphoria. Okay, I don't know what's written. Okay. Okay. So it was just his accident. So he was not able to prevent it. So did Jungkook eventually was still suicidal? Interesting. So let me know whatever guesses I made, because I feel that Jin smiling at the end is sort of like he is triumphant. He was able to manage to save everybody eventually. But I think because now the one that I'm going to be reacting to is Love Yourself Answer. So I think all the answers are there in Epiphany. So yeah, without delaying this, let's just watch this one quickly so that I'm able to sort of hopefully put two and two together. Okay. I love this song. Oh, there are subtitles here. But I still know the meaning of the song though. Oh! Okay. Wait. Let me see the set first, because I know the sets mean something. So that's Jin. 1, 2. There are two Jins. This is his room. This is not the same room where he used to sleep. Oh, I can see the diary. I can see that diary. The flower is there and the diary. Okay, let's see. All right. Or maybe he changed the room because the window is there. And that window is open. Okay. He got ready. Okay, so this jinn was getting ready and he went out. Okay.
참 이상해 분명 난 너를
Such a beautiful
너무
song.
사랑했는데
He's looking at the flower.
모두 너에게 맞추고 널 위해 살고 싶었는데 그럴수록 내 맘속에 폭풍을 감당할 수 없게 돼 웃고
It's that girl's diary.
속에 진짜 내 모습을 다 드러내 I'm the one I should love in this world 빛나는 나를 소중한 내
Oh!
영혼에 이제
He's again gonna so I think this is the loop that he's in. He's not able to break the loop. I think when he realizes that he should, like, you are the one that you should love, when he finally realizes, and that's why it's called epiphany, when he has that epiphany that you should sort of love yourself, he'll probably able to break that loop. Because right now, see, he went out, then this guy is sitting again, then he's getting ready again. So I think that guy who's sitting again will come and sit there. So I think then that's the loop that he's in basically as a time traveler.
깨달아 So I love me 좀 부족해 너 너무 아름다운 걸 I'm the one I should love
Wallpaper! My god. Jin is gorgeous. Oh my god, look at that visual. Jin is gorgeous. He really is worldwide handsome. I love the blonde hair on him. I love it. I love it. I love it. RIP Jin stands. I'm sorry. Probably would have died. Oh yes, this was there in the concert also. Like, you know, the like when he goes to the stage and it just, you know, the raindrops are in reverse. So this is the point I'm guessing is that when he realizes he's having an epiphany at this point of time that, oh, no matter what I do, I'm not going to feel fully satisfied, or I'm not going to be able to do anything, not going to be able to, you know, crush my demons unless I love myself. So I think this is the point where he's having the epiphany, when all the rain is going off.
사랑하고 싶어
Want to love him. He came back.
빛나는 나를 소중한 내 영혼에 이제야 깨달아
I finally realized, so I love me. Yes.
So I love me 정말 좋게도 너무 아름다운 걸 I'm the one I should love
He realized it. He realized it. See his expression? Oh. So I think now he will break the loop. Okay.
I'm the one I should love
See, because when he came inside, Now there is no second version of him. So the loop is, I think once he had that epiphany, that loop broke automatically. When the first time he went out and the second time he went out 2 times. Now see when he went out the third time. I don't know what's written. Oh my god, what is written? What is written? Armies, help. Oh, that's a very long paragraph. This is important. I'm sure this is important. See? Okay. Wait, the ad came. Alright. So, what I realized is that. Wait. I'll show you that clip. So, when the first time he goes out, he goes without the diary. He's in that loop. Then the second time he goes out, again he goes without the diary, and then the rain falls, and that is sort of symbolic, and then he has an epiphany that, oh my god, I cannot save any of these dudes. I cannot do anything if they don't love themselves. It is self-love that is going to save them eventually. And the last time when he comes back, you see usually there are 2 jinns, but when he comes back from the rain, he is, because when the second time Jin goes, he's still not wet, but here he is wet, and he comes back from the rain, and then he closes the blind. He disappears because then the loop is broken. So that automatically means that the loop is broken. So finally, when he realizes, the third time when he leaves, he actually picks up the diary. Where is that scene? Here. So he's picking up the diary, and then he leaves. That's the final loop. So the loop is broken. So he picks up the diary and he leaves. He has had that epiphany. So let me know, because I've not read the notes. And at the end, when he's standing there alone, he's with that truck. All of his friends, the other 6, they pop up, which means that the answer is that once they learn to love themselves, all of them would be saved. No, then they can, look for love, and everything else is secondary. They have to start loving themselves first in order to get saved. Whew! Okay. Where do I get the hold of the notes? Let me know. And after that is Map of the Soul. Now, I think Map of the Soul is a completely independent storyline. That's a different era. But I think from I Need You, like the most beautiful moment of my life, till Love Yourself was the part which was totally connected. The storyline was completely connected, and this was the finale. Please do let me know if I'm correct or wrong. So that was my reaction to both the songs Euphoria and Epiphany, both beautiful songs. I already knew the meaning of the songs, but I had not checked out the MV. So does that conclude my storyline? Because after this I know it's Idol. You Can Stop Me Loving Myself, and it's really, really colorful. It's really, really colorful. So that's where they have all started loving themselves. So I think that was the final one, and I know I have reacted to all the songs except these 2 were only remaining. Rest all the songs from Love Yourself era I have reacted to, whichever MV was there. So yes guys, that was it from me. I'm really excited for B. That was going to be a new era. Yes, now I'll start reacting to more of their, I think a lot of their older songs are left, the independent songs, the Japanese songs. Somebody had written Lights. There is one more song called Lights. Do let me know what else is left in their MVs, their official MV, whatever is left, do let me know, because I really want to get done with their MVs before the release of B. Life Goes On. That's the first song that's going to be releasing, because that's the title track, Life Goes On. So yes guys, that was it from me. I hope you subscribe to the channel if you're a K-pop lover. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.